everybody. My name is Srihan. Today I have a project of automated Arduino gate, and this is working by ultrasonic and Arduino. So mainly I used a power bank to supply the power and an Arduino Uno board as a microcontroller unit to control the power that goes into these devices and take the readings. And here is the ultrasonic sensor. So we'll check the distance. If like this sensor can only measure about 20 centimeters away. After that it will check as an infinite number. So if it is getting lower, the distance getting lower, it will say there is an obstacle. So here is the servo that will open and close our gate, and these are designs. So let me switch on my project. Okay. Now I have two cars. I will go through like this. You can see it can go. When I go like this, it will check the distance in here and it will open the gate. You can see if I put my hand longer, it will stay to the amount I put my hand until I get out my hand. So when I go like this, it will stay, and after 1.5 seconds it will just close if there is no obstacle. That's all for today. Thank you very much.